To feel broken is not to be discarded, but to be prepared for a masterpiece only the Creator can assemble. In this preparation, you realize that your wounds are the very places where light enters your soul. This light is not a fleeting spark, but the steady warmth of a God who never sleeps. Because He is awake, you can finally let go of the exhaustion of carrying the world on your shoulders. When you release that weight, you find that His hands have been underneath yours all along. Those hands do not just hold you, they meticulously craft a purpose out of your pain. You might wonder why the process takes so long, but remember that the divine gardener never rushes a bloom. While you wait for your season, trust that He is working in the silence of the soil. Even in that silence, His whispers of grace are louder than the screams of your insecurities. These whispers remind you that you are loved not for what you do, but simply because you are His. Being His means you never have to audition for a place in the universe. Your seat is already reserved at a table where mercy is the main course. At this table, the mistakes of your past are transformed into the wisdom of your future. Every tear you have shed has been collected and counted by the one who knows your heart's rhythm. He knows that rhythm because He is the composer of your life's unique song. Even when the melody turns to a minor key, the harmony of His presence remains constant. This constancy provides a shelter that no earthly storm can blow away. Inside that shelter, you are free to be fragile without the fear of shattering. As you embrace your fragility, you discover a strength that is supernatural rather than self-made. This strength allows you to forgive yourself as completely as He has already forgiven you. With a clear heart, you can finally see the beauty hidden in the no's and the not-yets of your journey. You begin to understand that every closed door was a redirection toward His better plan. That plan is not just about reaching a destination, but about walking in step with the infinite. Walking with Him turns an ordinary life into a sacred pilgrimage of hope. And in that hope, you find the ultimate healing, the realization that you were never, even for a second, alone.